You're looking at some stocks still holding out. Lupin closes up about 2%. Ultratech Cement, NMDC and HCL Tech, Kotak Mahindra Bank and ICICI Bank have still held out in the session today. But on the losing side, take a look at Reliance Industries. That one is the top loser, down about 4%. Cairn, BPCL, ONGC. So the last five, the top five losers essentially are all from the energy space. Hindalco is also down about 3%. But a heavyweight sector like energy has put the maximum amount of pressure for this market. Bank of Baroda is down about 2.5%. Bajaj Auto, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, that was more like a sell-on news once the results came out ahead of expectations. We saw that stock correct. The run-up on this one ahead of earnings was fairly impressive. HUL down about 2%. DLF looking a bit weak. Tata Motors, M&M also giving way.
Yeah, Tata Motors DVR too, and mind you, that's a consensus sell from our experts, so that one is under pressure. 137.85, maybe some downside there. Strides Arco Labs 7.5%, another day of top losses. FT for the 5% gain yesterday, there's a 5% fall today. And no prices for guessing. Gitanjali down on a lower circuit again. There's weakness though, a U-turn of sorts in mid-cap real estate. So Indiabulls Real Estate 4.5% down. The session M&M Financial, interestingly, is down close to 4% in trade. So it's been a weak day for some of the stronger hands too. Yesterday's Karnataka Bank, again one of the best performers in late hour, and that one too down in the session. What's done well? Tata Coffee, Tata Global Beverages, Titan. So these are three stocks from that same group which have had a good session. Tata Coffee 8%, I think TGBCL, yes, Tata Global Beverages is at 3%. So that one has not done too badly either. That aside, SpiceJet 3.5%. There was a talk today morning by the aviation minister that SpiceJet 2 is in negotiations for raising money, and 3.5% higher for SpiceJet as well. Ajanta Pharma 3% higher, 1028, not bad going. Tata Global Beverages, we spoke about that. Rallis is the other one, which is up close to 2.5%. Some small caps too in focus today by virtue of the kind of price action that they have shown. In particular, Sashun Chemical or Sashun Pharma up 20% in trade. Midcap Pharma didn't have a bad day. Sashun in particular 20% higher. Educomp and Evron from their education 3.5% higher for Spice, up 15% and 9% respectively.